Hi mga momshies and mga papshies! Of course, isama natin ang mga dads out there. This is momshieja. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell so that you would know if I have a new video upload. For today's vlog, I'll be sharing with you my quarantine online shopping haul, which is ito. Naayos na natin sa kabila. Okay, so if you want to check it out, just keep on watching. Momshies and papshies, ito yung mga items na binili ko online. Bumili ako sa Lazada, sa Shopee, sa The Baby Store PH, and sa Shop SM. So, yung mga links na lang, I just put it in the description box below. And, ayun. So, simulan na natin. So, let's start with yung mga malaliit. So, this one, baby nail clippers. I got this from The Baby Store PH for only 118 pesos lang. Okay, 118 pesos. Next, this one is the Nasal Aspirator. I got this from Shop SM for 109.75 pesos. Okay, by the way, yung mga binili ko mga momshies and popshies, these are just the baby essentials na kulang namin. And also, hindi ako masyadong nag-hoard. Because, as we all know, ang mga babies natin, iba-iba ng skin types, iba-iba ng level of sensitivity, ganyan. So, of course, tatry muna natin. We will have to test kung okay kay baby or kung hiyang si baby dun sa product before tayo bumili ng marami. So, that's a tip for Tipid momshies and Tipid popshies. Okay? So, you have to make sure muna na hiyang si baby bago kayo bumili ng marami. Alright, so continue na tayo with the items. This one I got from the Shop SM, for 149.75. So nursing pads for all the momshies out there. Okay, what's good about the product is that it is washable. So pwede natin siya gamitin ulit. Okay, next, I got two brands of Breastmilk storage pads. This one is from Sun Mom. The brand is Sun Mom. I got this from the Baby Store PH for 199 pesos, 30 bags. And the other brand naman is Dr. Dudu. Okay, this one I got from Shopee for only 96 pesos. Mga momshies and popshies, sobrang mura. The reason why hindi ito yung binili ko lang, nauna kasi ito yung nakita ko sa Baby Store PH. Nauna ko to nakita. So, tip would be, you have to compare prices, check other online stores muna, no? So, para makatipid. Okay, but this one, I hope it's a good brand as well. So, 199 from the Baby Store PH. And Dr. Dudu is just for 96 pesos. Okay, Shopee. Again, I'll just put the link in the description box below. Okay, next is this one. I got two because magkaiba ng size. This one is bigger from the Baby Store PH. By the way, this is bottle and nipple cleaning brush. Panglinis ng mga bote and nipple of the bottles ni baby. So, this is 140 pesos. Ito yung mas malaki. And this one, yung mas maliit. Okay, this one is from Lazada. It's only 69.75. So, mas mura ito. Okay, next, mga momshies and popshies. Okay, so, ito, mga feeding bottles. This one is from Lazada. This is only 259.75. 259.75 pesos for 3 bottles na. This is for newborn bottles. Ano ba? Sabi ko. So, newborn babies. Okay, and this one is Apruva. I got this from the Baby Store PH for 400 pesos. Meron na siyang kasamang feeding bottle na 8 ounce, feeding bottle na 4 ounce, and pacifier. And this one, breast milk bottles for storing breast milk. I got this from Shop SM for 219.75 pesos only. 4 na siya mga momshies and papshies. So, very, mura na siya, diba? 4 na eh. Okay? Next. Okay, so ito, this is a hooded blanket. So, I got 2. Meron na kasi ako, pero I just want yung white, and yung brand niya is Bloom, and maganda yung texture niya. So, this one, I got it from Shop SM for only 189.75 pesos each. Okay, so Bloom yung brand. Okay. And ito naman, Swaddle. Sabi nila, diba, yung baby, paglabas niyan, maninibago pa, sanay siya sa tummy ni mommy na masikip, ganun lang siya. So, maganda na maswaddle natin si baby kung okay kay baby, no? Depende rin naman kay baby. This is from Shopee, and I only got it for 151 pesos. So, 151 from Shopee. Okay, next. Ito mga momshies is natural laundry powder from Tiny Buds. I got this from the baby store, PH. 200 pesos for 500 grams. So, doon ako unang bumili. Now, etong isang to, nakita ko sa Shopee. Okay? It's 1 kilo of powder already, laundry powder. And it's only for 275 pesos. So, mas mura ito mga momshies and papshies. Okay, so again, you have to price check, compare prices, para mas makatipid. Okay? Next. Okay, next. Alright, so baby wipes. Ito yung unang brand na ito-try namin kay baby. Again, hindi kami nag-hoard ng sobrang dami. This one, we got it from Lazada for only 176 pesos. 2 pack na. Okay? So, sa isang pack, merong 76 wipes. And what's good about the brand is it's 99% pure water. Ayan. So, sabi naman mostly ng mga gumagamit ng mami Poco, nag-review, okay naman daw siya. But of course, again, try muna natin kay baby ko, no? So, you also have to try it with your baby kung hiyang si baby nyo. Okay. So, we got 3 sets of those. Yeah. And then, this one is the newborn diaper from Mami Poco din. So, we got this for 231 pesos, 30 pieces na. So, naka-discount siya. Okay, 231, 30 pieces. And we got 2 packs of those. Okay, and ito para kay Mommy. Para sa akin. Okay, manual breast pump. This is from Lazada. Ang brand niya is Real Bobby. We got it for 189 pesos. Pero ang original price niya is 399. So, naka-discount. Dyan. So, may manual and we'll also have to try yung electric. Okay? Kasi mamaya sobrang pagod ko na, di ba? So, baka hindi na natin kaya mag-manual pump. So, mas maganda rin na meron tayong pack-up para kay baby. Again, from Real Bobby. We got it from Lazada for only 599 pesos. Naka-discount din siya. Ang original price niya is 1,030 pesos. So, yun. Mga momshies. Okay? Meron pa ba? Ayun. So, ito, yung nasa likod. Okay, from Shop SM. This is a diaper changing pad. I got it for 169.75 pesos only. It's baby boy. So, pinili ko na lang si Bugs Bunny. Baby boy ang baby. Yung momshieja. And ito yung pinaka-favorite ko sa lahat. Wow! This is the comforter set of my baby. Actually, nakita ko to sa Shopee. Sa Shopee. Okay? It's from the shop Baby Wonder. But then, nung na-chat ko yung seller, ang sabi ng seller, mas matatagalan daw if I ordered it from Shopee. So, pinick up ng husband ko na lang sa store nila. Diyan lang. Around Manila. Sa Paglakan niya tayo. Okay, so ito, comforter set is just worth 750 pesos. Mura na siya kasi yung comforter set na nagtanong ako sa SM, nasa 2,000, ganyan, 3,000, sobrang mahal. But then, even if mura siya mga momshies and papshies, maganda yung material niya. Malambot, and hindi siya yung sobrang nipis. Okay, so, sige, pakita ko sa inyo. So, yung set niya, yan, may 3 pillows. So, 1, 2, and dun sa head. Okay, ang ganda rin ng design nila. And yung mismong comforter for the crib ni baby. Love ko yung design. Okay, and makapal siya mga momshies and papshies. Okay, so I got this for only 750 pesos from Baby Wonder. So makikita niyo rin sila sa Facebook and sa Shopee. Ayun. So I think that's it mga momshies and papshies. Again, hindi kami masyado bumili ng marami. So yung mga essentials lang, yung mga kailangan lang talaga ni baby. So, of course, tipid momshies, tipid papshies tayo dapat. Paglabas ni baby, mas marami pa yung kailangan natin gastusin. So, we have to be practical. So, tipid lang. So, ayun lang. I hope you like this video and I hope that you subscribe to my channel. If you are just new to my channel, please subscribe down below and click the notification bell for more updates. Right, momshies and papshies, goodbye! Thank you for watching!